Another great recipe from my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook, which you can buy just about anywhere, is scones. You got some friends coming for coffee or tea? Scones are the way to go. Easy to make in your toaster oven. Here's a bowl, 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1/4 cup buttermilk, a 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, blending with a pastry blender, or you can use 2 knives. 1 beaten egg, and I'm blending again. Now I'm just going to knead it in the bowl. The consistency should be workable and dough-like, not too sticky and not too dry. If it's too dry, add more buttermilk. If it's too sticky, add a little more flour. And I'm kneading again. The dough goes into a round pan, and I'm pressing it to spread it out in the pan. I'm also preheating my toaster oven to 425 degrees. Now I'm cutting the dough into 8 wedges. Here's the topping mixture. 1 heaping tablespoon of brown sugar, pinch of salt, 1 generous tablespoon of butter or margarine, a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix well. Spread the mixture on each wedge. Popping the scones into the toaster oven. We're looking for golden brown, probably about 20 minutes. Delicious, especially with butter. And the scones recipe is one of over 250 really great toaster oven recipes in my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook.